let's talk about bear safety. You need all the tools, bear spray, camera,
You don't need a camera.
and the guns.
It is poop.
It is poop, but is it brown bear poop?
It is brown poop.
That is true, so it doesn't mean it's from a brown.
Grizzlies.
Sophia, how was the hike so far?
Peaceful. Peaceful.
Yeah?
Peaceful.
Yeah?
Peaceful.
Okay. How was the hike so far, ladies?
Da 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 da.
Caribou! So we just found our first evidence of the Sasquatchian Bigfoot. Right there. So if you look at it carefully, you can see that the hair strands are a little bit wavy and they're not quite black. So that's why it makes it the Sasquatchian Bigfoot instead of the Western Bigfoot, which is a huge difference.
Right.
So I know in Arches we saw the Nasavenia rock. We are the first ones to bring to you evidence that Bigfoot does exist.
Here we are, the Sasquatchian Territorial Historical Grounds. Mosquitoes.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? There's the answer. We have more evidence, guys.
Guys, evidence is right here. See, Sasquatch.
What is it, Luke?
It's a Sasquatch. It's when it was shaving its toes, trying to shave its toes.
Yeah, it's like its toe claws. It's similar to the version of the toe claws that Christian has.
Yes.
But yes, he takes them
like-
to the tree.
Yes.
He sharpens them, and ultimately we use it for hunting and gathering, along with Sasquatch. We've just found some more reminiscence of the archaeological aspect of the Sasquatchian as well as the Sasquatch Bigfoot here in the woods of the Grand Tetons. Over here what we can see is the reminiscence of their Christmas tree where they use their fur to decorate it. You can see a mix of Sisquilla as well as Sasquatchian on the bottom. The Sisquilla, which is more to the green tones, a little bit smaller and shorter. And then to the top, the dark black Sasquatchian male Bigfoot fur that they use to decorate their Christmas tree. It's just simply amazing.
That's a fat ant. Look at it compared to my finger. Oh, it's scared of me.
We're finishing up our hike now here at the Grand Tetons National Park. We saw plenty of evidence of the Sasquatchian as well as the Sisquilla Bigfoot, both male and female, as well as some archaeological aspect of the Christmas tree. We did not see them in real life. We didn't see them in person, unfortunately, but rest assured, plenty of evidence that they do live here. Beware. Cameraman, come over here. I want to show something where unfortunately we found evidence of the Sisquillian Sasquatch perhaps not being able to live here anymore. This used to be a lake, and unfortunately with the drought that's going on, it has receded, which deprives the Sasquatchian species of water, and it makes it extremely difficult for them to live in this environment. So there is more and more evidence, unfortunately, that they may have become extinct. A little bit of an adventure here, coming off of the Teton Mountains in Jenny Lake. Started to rain as we were ready to turn around and come back. So the rocks are slippery, and we are making our way down, which is a good way. Via and Jess back there, and then the boys right there.
This one time we were at a hot spring. I put dandelion down my dad's back, and he was very mad at me. I was gonna do it. No! I'm saving this for putting dandelion down daddy's back. Oh, I'm saving him. I'm just explain to you how this works. Okay, take off your jacket. Don't go. Take off your hat.
Christian, what's wrong with your mouth, man? We are heading to
Mormon Row on Antelope Flats to see all of the homestead settlements that were given to some of the first Mormon settlers out here.
This road has not been driven on in a long time.
Okay.
I don't think anyone's allowed on here. So, for the sake of you two, you're welcome. We'll see what is in these houses. Things. Come on, run faster. I don't know why we're running. We have found an outhouse. Another one.
There is a toilet seat cover.
And a seat.
Oh wow, there is a toilet seat cover. Look, that little white thing right there. Yeah.
Like gas canisters too. Oh my, that was so cool.
Old gas cans.
There's a barrel too from Mobile.
From Mobile? Are you serious?
Look, it says Mobile on the side. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's not. It's got gas in it.
Oh, don't touch it.
Christian,
It
what
smells
color
like gas in here.
Ew, gross.
There's also a bed. We all just woke up and we woke up to snow.
It's snowing in summer, and I just woke up, so I need to get ready, and then we're gonna hit the road for the next location. And we have to explain something to you guys. So.
Okay, so let's talk about what's happening and the plans moving forward, because we've had a few things unexpected. Unfortunately, as you may have heard, Yellowstone had some major flooding. They shut down the park for at least the next 3 days. Yesterday we were supposed to start exploring Yellowstone. We got within a mile of the south entrance, and then they turned us around saying that the park had been closed. So we did some planning. Right now we are skipping Yellowstone entirely. Get out of the area because there's a lot of people getting evacuated, so we don't want to be a burden on the system. So we're just going to leave and go to Montana, and then we're going to stay there for a couple of days. We were able to get a campground there, and then from there we go to Glacier. From Glacier we're going to move on to Banff, and then on our way down, if Yellowstone is open back up and it's worth it, then we will swing back down and try to do Yellowstone. But for now, that's what's happening. We are sad because it was going to be the highlight of our trip, but we're also praying that everyone that was affected is safe and that they can rebuild their community. We also know that tourism is a key component of their economy, and we were happy to contribute. But for now, we are getting out of the area. That's why you may not see Yellowstone at all, but maybe you will.
You can see the riding on the